Hi, I'm Todd Whitehead, GM of Ag Torch, and today I'd like to talk to you about the features and benefits of our wide flame brass torch. This is an adjustable flame torch, so it allows you to adjust the flame up and down as you need. It also is a manual lit torch, so you'll need some type of an external flame source to ignite the torch. This is an upright torch only to be used with propane gas. To light the torch, you simply crack open the valve until you hear the gas flow. Take an external flame source such as our flint spark lighter, ignite the torch, and you can see you have a very strong, wide pencil point flame, which is great for doing soft solder work. It's great for if you're adding patina or doing some wood burning on craft and hobbies, whether you're thawing out a frozen pipe or using a frozen lock perhaps. Great torch for even loosening up really tough rusty bolts on lawn equipment, automobiles, anything that's got a real tough bolt that needs to be broken, you need to add some significant heat. The larger wide flame brass torch provides that heat for you. Please visit us on magtorch.com for information about this torch and many others.